Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back, my viewers. How are you guys today? Hope you guys are doing excellent. It's your boy Toledo back at it again. Today with a quick video, little quick how-to, little DIY on my Tacoma. Basically, I haven't posted in a while. It's been a crazy end of the year for me these last few months. Personal stuff, but thankfully I'm healthy and I'm alive and everything's good. But I'm here today with a quick update, a quick little upgrade to the truck, and I wanted to share it with you guys before I just install what I'm gonna install, because it's a pretty straightforward install. But the thing is, it's not, you don't really see this out there as much as you would think, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you guys could see, I have these steel wheels on my Tacoma, and basically I love these wheels. This is my favorite look on the Tacoma. I love the steel wheel look, and as you can see, I have it on all four corners, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. And those lug nuts might tell you a little something, but those are not the ones we're gonna use. But this is the look that I went for. Basically a hubcap in the center of the steel wheel to make it look more old school and more cleaner. And I'm gonna share with you guys how I accomplished this and where these are from and where to get them and what you need exactly to get this look. The center cap on there, and I'm gonna put everything in the link in the description on what do you need to buy to put these on your 16-inch steel wheels that are OEM on the Tacomas. These are specifically from the first gen Tacoma spare tire, Sequoia first gen spare tire, and Tundra first gen spare tire. They're all 16-inch. I'm not sure if this works on the 17s, because I know there's a 17-inch steel wheel, but it for sure works on the 16. It fits perfectly in the center, as you guys can see. And here's what it looks like. It fits literally, like, look, literally perfect. It's like no gap right there. It's like right in the middle. Here's the cap. Excuse me, I'm a little sick, but here's the caps themselves. I'm gonna put everything in the description below. You need the caps, and you need these from anywhere. Home Depot. I got these specifically from Hobby Lobby, but Home Depot has them too. Target. And then you need these lug nuts here. Okay, so I messed up the first time. I ordered the wrong lug nuts, but let me show you the difference. Okay, so here's the ones that are on the tires that I told you guys I'm not gonna use. Obviously M12 by 1.5, but these are 19s, I wanna say. And then this is the 22, the new one that you need for the actual hubcap. M12 by 1.5. But look how much fatter it is. No diddy. Big difference. Pause. Alright, so let's say you get your lug nuts, right? Pretend these are the OEM lug nuts that you're taking off. Alright, you're getting rid of these. You're putting on these fat ones. They're 22s. 22 millimeter socket required. Let me get it from here. I'm sorry, right here. 22 millimeter socket. And the cap itself, 22 millimeter. Okay, so here's a funny part. These caps are off a GMC or Chevy 6 lug. Those, I'll put a picture of it. What it looks like on the GMCs. Well, basically, you buy these on Amazon or eBay. Blanks. They don't have any logo. You could get your own logo, your own Toyota logo. I'm gonna leave them blank for now, but then I might get some chrome Toyota ovals and put them here. But I kind of like the look, just like this. That looks old school, dude. I love it. Tell me that doesn't look nice. Also, I got some new headlights, but damn, that looks nice. But let's take one. Let's get one installed, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. The process of me installing it. All right, y'all. So here's step one. Step one: get your cap. Get your little rubbers. The cap has these little 3 spots here, these contact points. You need to fill this gap because if you install it onto the lug nuts, I already tried. This is how I know this. I had to go buy these right now. If you install the cap and turn these on the lug nut, which have thread outside, it's gonna be loose. So you need to grab your little rubbers, center it on the little black contact here. I bought 2 packs of these because I didn't know how much spacing I needed, to be honest. So here's what it looks like. You see that? Cap. Okay. All right, now let's change the lug nuts to the ones we need. I'm gonna do this on a time lapse real quick. All right, y'all. So the lug nuts are swapped. Here's our cap that we prepared already. Check it out. Same lug pattern, 6x1, 39.7, I believe. Chevys are the same lug nut pattern as Toyotas, except the bore size is different. The center bore. And I just take this thing and just tighten him. There's like a little groove where you're supposed to stop at, but I just tighten him. So. There we go. Bingo. There we go. I just need to do the last 2, which is the 2 rear. And then I'll be done and I'll show you guys the finished product. Love it. Again, guys, here's how it goes. So that's why it has a thread outside on the lug nut. Start one off. It looks great. Look at it. You guys leave a comment below how you feel about it. It looks old school. It gives it like a vintage look. I mean, the truck's old already, to be honest. So gonna be 22 years old. 2003. To do math right, I think. There we go. So it looks like. Sheesh. That's what it looks like. Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. I like it. Crazy. Let me get out of here because I feel awkward. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you guys for coming back if you did watch this video. I really appreciate you guys. 2025 is literally 4 days away. It's crazy. Hope you guys are enjoying your holidays, and take care of your family. Enjoy your parents while you have them. Love them. Take care of them, give them hugs, kisses, tell them you love them, tell your siblings you love them. And I wish you guys a happy new year. Thank you guys, like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.